Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I make my plantain frittata. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. So you need a ripe plantain for this recipe. I went ahead, make sure you've washed your plantain and then peel the skin. After, divide it into smaller pieces. So for this you can cut it any size of your choice at all. So I divided mine into 2 equal parts and then divided it into smaller pieces. So you can go in for any size of your choice. This is the size that I went in for. I'll then transfer it into a bowl and then add in spices, which is chili powder and smoked paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and some salt. So the spice here that I'm adding, you can avoid it. Add in only salt and go ahead and fry it, but I prefer making it in the Chilli style before before frying it. So you can avoid the spice, add in only salt and then fry those bad boys, but then I prefer doing it this way. I kept it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I added oil to my saucepan and then fried those bad boys. So all you have to do is to add in your plantain and then let it cook for at least from 7 to 12 minutes depending on the size of your plantain. So I kept mine fried almost like from 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, stay close to it and keep turning it, and this is the best ever spiced plantain you ever made. It was so delicious. Just look at it, well spiced and delicious. Very delicious. Just look at it. Isn't it amazing? I hope you give this recipe a try. So when you get to this point that is golden brown like this, that means it's ready. Take it off from the fire and then let's move to the next step. After, in the same saucepan, I added in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I added in my vegetables, which is chopped carrots, onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. So I let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'll stir it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I then added salt to my eggs. I'm using 6 eggs. I'll whisk or stir together to well combined and then add it to the vegetables. Basically that's it. The next thing that I'll be doing is to add in the plantain, and you have to wait until it's cooked. That's it. It's simple, easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. This is delicious. After adding in the plantain, I added in some of the vegetables as well on top of the plantain. I'll cover this and let this cook for at least 7 to 10 minutes depending on the quantity of eggs that you'll be using. So mine took 7 to 10 minutes to get ready. Cover it and give it time to cook until it's ready. Just look at this amazing plantain frittata. Just look at this, guys. It's amazing. It's delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. And I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.